Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, today I got a package in the mail. As you can see, it's from Stickermule, but it's got something unique in there, I think. So, hey Mrs. TB, are you over there?
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey, come over here, I want to show you something.
Alright.
Yeah, we got this package in the mail earlier today.
Hero's getting a package of something. Now, what did you get?
Well, why don't you check it out, because I think it's going to be pretty cool. So, let's go ahead and take a look.
Alright.
Alright, so here we go. I got Mrs. TB with me, and I believe, Mrs. TB, this is your first unboxing with me.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah,
I had not thought about that.
I don't think we've ever unboxed something together before, so I'll go ahead and get out the dangerous scissors and cut this thing open for us. So, let me get this cut here. Get it cut here. And I'm not really sure what to expect either, because I've never ordered this before either, so let's see what they have for us in here.
What?
And let's take a look.
Oh, man.
No invoices fell out.
What are those?
And
Buttons?
What do you think, Mrs. TB?
Oh, that looks so cool.
I got you some Mrs. TB buttons.
Oh, thank you.
Look at that.
Oh, that is so cool.
Isn't that cool? What do you know?
Thank you, Mr. TB. That's so thoughtful of you.
What is this that we have here? The button cam? Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Button cam.
Oh, it's just got a pin on the back. So, look at that.
Oh,
And then
wow.
let's go back and take a look at Mr. TV's button on the button cam.
Sure.
So, wow, look at those.
Oh,
So,
we just did that Mrs. TB logo, what, last week? And now you already ordered.
So this is what I think we should do, Mrs.
Cool.
TV. What do you think about this idea? The only way you can get one of these awesome Mr. and Mrs. TV buttons
Yes.
is from our live stream. When we give away a gift, when somebody gets a GAW on our live stream, they will get a button. We won't give them away any other way.
Really?
You got to be on the live stream, because that's where Mr. and Mrs. TV come to hang out together.
Cool.
What do you think about that, huh?
Hey, that's a great idea.
That's what I thought too. So I went ahead and ordered them, and they got here pretty quick. So
They did. Wow. Very creative. Thank you, Mr. TB.
Well, you're welcome, and I think they turned out as well as I had hoped.
Yes, they look great.
So thank you everyone for joining. That's it for now.
Thank you.
And remember, let's keep talking bullion. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.